Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. The pandemic is really putting pressure, is really killing people, infecting people. Life is fully disturbed at every nook and corner of the world. And in these days of pandemic, J&K is never an exception. Here, COVID 19 cases are increasing with an alarming pace. Better is to remain inside your homes, busy with the books, so that you can defeat this COVID 19 infection by minimizing your physical contacts. When you remain busy with the books in home isolation, their students' life is of first importance, and we should give the first preference to lives, our lives, and then the rest of the things that are supporting life. Financial credibility of India and stability of India is being threatened by this virus. Rajya Sabha passed two bills, separate bills, reducing the allowances of MPs by 30%. So it indicates that financial credibility of India is under threat. Dear students of class 11th, subject political science, today we are dealing with one more important topic, that is judicial review, often asked in the board examinations. Dear students, judicial review has been borrowed from the American Constitution, like fundamental rights and removal of the judges, because the Indian Constitution is a bag of borrowing. Many concepts or many provisions have been borrowed from the rest of the constitutions of the world. Dear students, the apex court or Supreme Court of India, that is the highest court of India, is blessed with the power of judicial review. It is the important future of the Supreme Court that Parliament of India or the state legislatures, they are on work to frame laws, and the Supreme Court of India sees or watches these laws. If any law passed by the state legislature or the parliament contravenes with any provisions of the constitution, declares the same law as ultra virus or the unconstitutional or null and void. So the power of the Supreme Court to declare any law null and void which goes against the basic spirit of the Constitution is called the power of judicial review. Dear students, this is the very important future of the Indian Constitution, because when state legislature or the parliament makes any law that contradicts the original spirit of the Constitution or contravenes any of the provisions of the Constitution, is considered ultra virus and being declared by apex court or the Supreme Court of India as the unconstitutional null and void. So judicial review is the highest power in the is the power or highest power in the Supreme Court of the interpretations of the law. Dear students, the Supreme Court of India can also reverse its decisions to this is the judicial review also under Article 137 of the Indian Constitution. Dear student, when Supreme Court comes with any judgment and gives the verdict, and finally it sees that it goes against the spirit or the judgment given by the Supreme Court isn't uh, correct, or we may say having some needs some modifications, and it can reverse its judgment under Article 137 of the Indian Constitution. So I am repeating the things for the you. Judicial review is the future of the Indian future, the very important future of the Supreme Court of the India, or the power within the Supreme Court of the India. And this power has been borrowed from the American Constitution. It simply means that the Supreme Court can declare a law null and void passed by the state legislature or the Parliament of India if it contravenes any of the provisions of the Constitution. So the highest power lies in the hands of Supreme Court of Law, India, in terms of interpretation of the laws. Also, the Supreme Court of India can reverse its decision once it gives the decision, but in the end, it examines that the decision needs further modification or modifications or some changes. It can reverse its decision under Article 137 of the Indian Constitution. So remember, the judicial review has been borrowed from the American Constitution. It's an important feature or important power in the Supreme Court of India, by which it can declare any law ultra virus or unconstitutional or null and void if it contravenes any of the provisions of the Constitution. So the judicial review is the highest power or the extreme power uh, within the Supreme Court within the Supreme Court in interpreting the laws. Dear students, it is all about the judicial review. But before leaving the class, I am advising you to see these things on your available political science reference books. And when you watch these things on the video, or by watching this video, if any confusion strikes your mind, you can call me on my number, that is 7006671106, or WhatsApp me. And when you post your query by any means within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. One more advice is for you: there is no substitution for self studies. You must concentrate on the self studies so that you can take your sinking boat to the bank, because no physical classroom teaching is here. Your career is at the stake. And also, the pandemic is moving, it is creating pressure, it's killing people. Better is to remain in home isolation to save yourselves and to uh, care for your career. Thanks. Be balanced.